Welcome to the Vector Academy. Understanding operating system from user view. The user's view of the operating system varies according to the interface being used. Based on user view, there are three categories of operating systems. Operating systems for laptop, PC. Mobile operating system. Embedded operating system. Operating systems for laptop, PC. Operating systems may be designed mostly for ease of use where users sit with a laptop or in front of a PC consisting of a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Such a system is designed for one user to monopolize its resources with some attention paid to performance and security and none paid to resource utilization. The goal is to maximize the work that the user is performing. Mobile operating system. Increasingly, many operating systems are designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Devices that are replacing desktop and laptop computer systems. These devices are typically connected to networks through cellular or other wireless technologies. The user interface for mobile computers generally features a touchscreen, where the user interacts with the system by pressing and swiping fingers across the screen rather than using a physical keyboard and mouse. Many mobile devices also allow users to interact through a voice recognition interface, such as Apple's Siri. Embedded operating system. Some computers have little or no user view. For example, embedded computers in home devices and automobiles may have numeric keypads and may turn indicator lights on or off to show status, but they and their operating systems and applications are designed primarily to run without user intervention.
Thanks for your time. Share it in your circle to help people search less and learn more. Stay tuned to the Vector Academy.